Hi, this is Karen with WTI. I was born with the darkest circles under my eyes. That's what it is. And when I found this It Cosmetics Under Eye by concealer, it's just been a breeze for whenever I'm applying my makeup. It is a full coverage concealer, and also with just a tiny bit, it goes a long way. I like to use my fingers since I can warm up the product, and also I can push it into make it almost feel like it's my skin. Another great thing that I love about this product is that it actually has some salmon color underneath, so it covers that purple of my under eyes. And I also use it as an eye primer whenever I'm gonna apply some eyeshadows. And this is it. Look, there is no more purple under my eyes. It doesn't feel heavy, and I like to use it under my foundation. This is a very light foundation that I'm using, the one that I use on a daily basis. And I just set it with a little bit of powder, and that's it. I'm ready. I love the way it looks. I love the way it covers my under eyes, and that's my point of view.